In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit sunset photos in Luminar Neo. We'll start by opening your sunset image and heading to the Develop or Raw Develop tool, especially if you're working with a RAW file. First, balance the exposure so the overall brightness feels natural. Pull down the highlights to recover detail in brighter parts of the sky, like glowing clouds or the sun's edge. Then lift the shadows gently to reveal detail in darker areas, but avoid pushing too far so you don't flatten the scene. You want depth and contrast to stay alive in the image. Next, adjust white balance. Sunsets usually benefit from a slightly warmer temperature to deepen those golden and orange hues. Nudge it warm until the scene looks inviting, but stop before the colors take on an unrealistic cast. If you're unsure, aim for warmth that feels believable rather than stylized. Now let's enhance color carefully. Increase vibrance first. It targets muted tones and is excellent for skies and clouds without blowing out the already intense colors. Add a touch of saturation only if the image still needs it. For precise control, open the color panel and use HSL. Move the hue of oranges and yellows slightly toward red for a richer, more dramatic sunset. Lift saturation just enough to make the sky sing without turning it cartoonish. Then use luminance to brighten warm tones. This helps them pop without relying on heavy saturation. A quick tip: keep color tweaks modest early on, and refine colors more after you've finalized exposure and contrast. To bring in mood, apply the Sunset preset. This preset adds the deep, glowing tones you expect from golden or blue hour without a lot of manual work. Explore styles like blush, golden, blue, emerald, or mauve, and adjust the intensity to taste. Think of it as your base look that you'll fine-tune. For contrast and detail, try super contrast or the tone curve to deepen shadows and enrich midtones. Concentrating contrast in the midtones makes colors feel more dynamic while preserving detail. Add a small amount of structure to enhance texture in clouds and any foreground elements, but keep sharpening subtle. Sunsets often look more magical, with a slightly softer, dreamy feel. Finish with a gentle vignette to darken the edges and draw the eye toward the glowing center. Keep it subtle so it supports the image rather than announcing itself. Lastly, straighten the horizon if needed, and consider a crop using the rule of thirds or leading lines to strengthen your composition.